was
Let's
a
hear
really
from our
tough
winner
match.
now.
Are you happy with your performance today?
Yes, I'm super happy with how I performed today. It is the first tournament on hard court, so I just kept telling myself to be patient and adjust to the surface, be positive out there.
Είμαι πολύ χαρούμενη με το παιχνίδι μου σήμερα. Είναι το πρώτο μου παιχνίδι σε σκληρή επιφάνεια. Έκανα πολύ μεγάλη υπομονή και νομίζω ότι αυτή η υπομονή απέδωσε καρπούς. What do you think made the difference in your game today?
I would say just being calm out there, just being positive, stick to what I was working on in practice and try to apply it in the points.
Είχα πάρα πολύ μεγάλη υπομονή, προσπάθησα να κάνω αυτό που είχαμε κάνει στην προπόνηση, να ακολουθήσω το πλάνο, μου βγήκε στην εντέλεια και γι' αυτό κατάφερα να πάρω την νίκη. Congratulations again.
Thank you.
Well, an adequate first-round performance from Alicia Parks, who, as she said, just needed a little bit of wriggle room there. She was just getting used to the hard courts, having come from the grass.